Today I'm making Great Depression chocolate cake. You're going to want to brew 1 8-ounce cup of coffee and set it in the fridge to cool while you put our ingredients together. Next we're going to set our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl you're going to combine 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, and salt. The reason this is called the Great Depression chocolate cake is because during that time in history, people had to ration their milk, butter, and eggs, which this cake doesn't have any of. That being said, in order to make the cake rise and fluff, we have to use a little bit of science. So next you're going to make 3 little divots in the mixture we have made thus far. In one, you will put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. In the next, 1 teaspoon of distilled vinegar. And in the last one, you will put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, or any oil that works for you. Lastly, you will take that cooled cup of coffee out of your fridge and pour it over the mixture and mix well. I'm using parchment paper to line my pan, but if you don't have that, you can grease your pan with butter and dust with flour before pouring the cake batter in. I don't know the size of the pan I'm using here. It might be a 10 by 10 inch pan, but just use whatever you have that is closest to this size. Your oven should have reached 350 degrees at this point, so you can throw your pan in and let it bake for 30 minutes. While you wait for that, you can start preparing your frosting. In another mixing bowl, combine 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of water, or milk if you have it. I did it here, I just forgot to record it. 1/4 cup of oil, or 4 tablespoons, which is what I did here. Same measurement. And a pinch of salt. Mix to the best of your ability. If it doesn't come out thick like mine, that's totally fine. It will just pour a little bit easier on the cake. When you take your cake out of the oven, you can go ahead and put a butter knife or a toothpick in the middle of the cake to make sure that it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, it's cooked all the way through. If it's not, then it's not cooked all the way. And that's it, Great Depression chocolate cake. You can make a vanilla version of this with the same recipe if you just remove the cocoa powder from both the batter and the frosting and use plain water instead of coffee.